Have you been waiting for your petition and it's been more than a year, more than 12 months? You want to watch this video to learn more, especially if your spouse is abroad and they're kind of getting on you to hurry the heck up. So of course, if you're a U.S. citizen or the resident, you're like, I've done everything I could. I've done everything. And your spouse is still saying, do more, do more. Here's what you need to explain to them. Or you can just share this video. Okay, so this is the processing time webpage on USCIS.gov website. You can see here above, this is based on a permanent resident filing for a spouse abroad. This is not a U.S. citizen. That is a different situation. Okay, I've selected all service centers because that's where they're processed. And you can see, it says see notes in a blue box. It used to say, just a week ago, as it usually does, a specific number of months, like 24 months, 26 months. And that's a long time. But now, I think it's worse. They're trying to prevent you from even submitting an inquiry. Not that you could probably submit it anyway because they push it so far back, but now they likely disengaged it, essentially, deactivated it. Because down below, you can see below me is where it says it's going to be approved when your visa is available or soon to become available. And I'll show you in a second why that's a bad thing. I can understand why the government's doing it though. All right, so this is the September visa bulletin. It just came out, even though today is August 16th, 2024. And one of the most common family preference categories is the F2A, permanent residence filing for the spouse or children under 21, okay? So right now, they're working on cases that are November 2021. And so if the person who commented earlier, it said since 2022, and that one is actually based on sibling. All right, but if you go down below, F4 category, it says August 2007. Of course, this first column is for all other countries that are not listed on the right side, which is China, India, Mexico, and the Philippines. They could have even longer wait time, okay? So you just want to take a note of that because you might think like, why is the petition taking even longer? Well, now USCIS can say, we're just going to deprioritize those cases and just push it even more to the side, and they're going to keep track of the visa bulletin related to that case. Okay, so here's what else you need to know. Okay, so right above my head is the priority date. This usually matches very close to the receive date, which you can probably barely see now. Okay, so priority date is very important because the priority dates are the dates down below in this chart. So when yours for that one was 2021, okay, so here's a recap. If you're wondering how long it will take it to get approved, it might not get approved anytime soon because of the visa bulletin, the limitation on number of visas that can be issued per year. And if the spouse or other family member that you file a petition for, it actually works better. I know it sounds strange, but it actually works better if the petition takes longer to approve for the purpose of Child Status Protection Act, so that the child is going to be considered that their age of 21 is protected if they're actually older than 21, eventually many years later. Now, if you think that your case has been delayed past the processing times, past the time where you're even thinking about giving up, of course, don't give up. This journey is long. You need to know that, set that expectation, but give us a call, okay, and follow, and click the link under my profile, schedule the meeting that's appropriate for your situation. Talk to you soon.